Hello everyone, this is Mimi for Mimi's Crafty Shop. Welcome to my channel. I just have some quick things I want to share with y'all. I have made a few different things and also have purchased a couple of things. But the first thing I wanted to show y'all is this is something that I recently did for a challenge giveaway for Rita Donnelly, who on YouTube is Gmareezscrapshack, I think. I'm not for sure, but I think that's what it is. Anyway, she asked for everybody to make some of these Rolodex cards up to go in a Rolodex thing that she actually has a tutorial that she just did. And also, so I made up a couple. I've got a couple of more that also made up I want to share with y'all. But this one's kind of a sewing theme, and I don't really want to, on the back side, I just did a stamping and, you know, just put down what the name of my shop was and stuff, what she asked. On this one here, I'm going to cover up my name and stuff, or my address, but same thing. She wanted to know our address, our birthday and stuff. So I thought they turned out super cute. I just made a little pocket here with some little tags that I had, and that's made out of a little tiny envelope. And see, and then just cut some collagen out and did some, I'll have to, anyway, show you, it's got a pocket on the back too. But anyway, this one also has some vintage needle stuff in there too. I just love the way it turned out. Okay, so what I wanted to show you too, I made this for Miss Rita. She is, I call her the Ladybug Queen. So I had this small CD holder that I just recently got from Amazon, and I bought some of these little ladybug stickers because she loves ladybugs, and this stands for R for Rita. Made this up and also made up this. I'm not going to open it, but it's a little booklet here. This is actually a kit that when I've had it for a couple of years, but the French Heart is, I think it's the name of the lady I got this from, and this was a garden theme, but it had ladybugs on it. So when I decided I wanted to make her this folio envelope kind of pocket thing that I made up, I decided, when I seen that, I wanted to make her something, so I decided that this would be for her. So I put on here one of these Tim Holtz, I don't even know what you call those. It says Ladybug Queen, and I stuck some ladybugs on there. It opens up, and it's like a trifold open, and has a pocket over here. This was fun to make too. I used file folder to make this, and just made up a whole bunch of little tags. This is kind of like a tag that opens up. And I actually purchased one of these from a lady at a local craft mall, and so that's what gave me the idea. And these two are just these little really cute paper clips I made up, and I put a little ladybug there. I hope I'm in frame. And it flips over, and this is a little side pocket, and I just put a bunch of goodies in there again. And I just love the way this turned out though, because it's very vintage. And then this flips up like that, so she could actually, you know, write in this on the back side of these if she wanted to. It says, "Nothing like family, nothing like ladybug love." I just got on my computer and made up a bunch of little sayings for her. And then that one there, another paper clip. Then that flips over, and this is actually like a little pocket here, and it says Ladybug Love. And this flips up. It's like a little faux envelope. Flower Vegetable Garden has a little ladybug right there. And then right here, I added these little words from Tim Holtz's, and voices soft and sweet remind me of the happiness to keep. And then got a little ladybug on there too. And then this flips out, and then I had this I made, and all the, most of the stuff on here, though, comes from that kit, except for this. I think I had this in my stock, and I just thought that was so pretty. And then I made this up. It's like a little paper notebook deal that she can write on with, and then this here, too. And just backed it with black cardstock. So my little touch of red on here, because ladybugs are red, and then I, of course, used a little touch of black, too, because of ladybugs. So then showed you that. And there's another pocket over here, and it's Gmareezscrapshack. That's the name of, I think that's the name of her YouTube channel, too. But anyway, this was fun to make. I really love doing it, and I think I'm going to make up some more of them and put them in my shop, because these are nice. You can even put them in your junk journals. So just a nice little fun additive to add to something. So I wanted to share that right quick. And then I also wanted to share a recent purchase I made. This is from Loretta Allen, who is Sparrowhacker Designs. She is on YouTube, and she has Etsy store and Instagram. But isn't this adorable? She made this up, and it's got her name on the back of it. But I bought some of these from her. These are kits that she has for sale in her store. And as y'all know, she's a big, crazy quilt lady. She does make beautiful junk journals, too. I mean, she made one recently, a ballet one that, oh my goodness, I would have died to have bought it. But somebody else was the fortunate person to get it. But all this is stuff that she's pre-cut out in her kits. And they're different, the kind of color scheme. This was the pinks and the greens. And you can use these in your crafts. This is kind of an idea if you want to do the slow stitching, which is something that I'm hoping to start doing. I'm not just an excellent stitcher or anything by no means. I definitely cannot do, I wish I could do these things, but my sewing machine is not that great. I'm hoping to get a better one, but I would love to do crazy quilts. I always tell her I'm so envious of her because she does that crazy quilt. I just think it's beautiful. But anyway, I'm just going to play around with this stuff and use it in my crafts and, you know, make some stuff with it. But I just wanted to share with y'all this beautiful fabric. And what I liked about it, it was already cut out for me, so I won't have to do it. And that kind of makes, I am a terrible fabric cutter. I don't know. I told Mom I need to get a lesson in how to cut fabric out. So Mom said, go on YouTube. I bet you can figure it out. I can't cut a straight line to save my life. I mean, I'm just a terrible cutter. I need one of those ridges going down in a table like they do it at Hobby Lobby or Joann's to cut a straight line. But anyway, this is so pretty. And Loretta, I'm so glad I got this from you. And she also sent this. It's backing that you can use. And these are good for junk journals too. So that's my desire, is to make something to use on a junk journal, okay? I really love doing this kind of stuff. This was kind of more of an autumn colors, but I absolutely love these colors. These earth tony colors are one of my favorites. I'm kind of gravitate toward that. I love wearing those colors, and I love to decorate. Fall is my favorite time of year, so these are just gorgeous. And like I said, she's taken the time to pre-cut all this. She did some stamping. Another one of her fans that she made up, a beautiful heart. And this is some cross-stitching, and I was wondering if she did this or if it looks, I don't know if somebody did this by hand or if you can do this by a sewing machine. I know they got some fancy sewing machines out there nowadays, but I would love to have one. I think I would really use the appliques and stuff and different stitches on my journals. So this is beautiful right here. I love this. So anyway, I'm real excited about my stuff I got from her, and y'all go show her some love and go check out her YouTube and her Etsy store. She is such a sweet, sweet lady. I just love her. And she's very, very, very talented. That is gorgeous. I love the color of that. But, I mean, I just love material. And then some more of that backing there. So, okay. And my other thing I wanted to share, which y'all know that I was a guest design for Doreen for her Crystals and Pearls Kit Club. Well, I'm not anymore, but I'm still going to be in her kit club because I'm getting the kits once a month. So I'm thankful that I'm still in the kit club. And oh my goodness, I love this new kit that she sent. The colors are beautiful, Doreen. You just really outdid yourself on this one. I love this kind of beigey colors with a touch of the blush and the pinks. So if you're fortunate enough to be in her kit club, you get to get one of these lovely kits. If you're not, then I'm sorry, but isn't that cute? I love that. Doreen, you always amaze me every time I get something from you. I'm always amazed at your crafty designs. And look at that. Isn't that beautiful? She just makes everything so unique. And I love it. And these are absolutely beautiful. I mean, they're some kind of little appliques. They kind of look nearly like leather. And these, I haven't never seen this size of the coin pockets, envelopes. But she always sends so many different things with her kits, too. I mean, it's just tons of stuff that you can do. And also, this right here, I love. And I think she has a YouTube tutorial on this. I'm hoping. Because I want to know what kind of glue she's using. I don't know if it's that E6000 or whatever you call it. But I need to know because I made some of these up. But, you know, I was using Fabri-Tac glue. That doesn't work very well. And I don't know if I think she might have made this out of glassine bag. It's really cute. And, this is adorable. I love these colors. But anyway, y'all, I can't wait to make something out of this. I don't know if I'm going to be able to part with this one. I usually sell my kits that I make up, you know, my makeup stuff, and I usually sell it. Excuse me. But this one I may have to keep, Doreen. I don't know. I don't know if I'm going to be able to sell it or not. It's too beautiful. But anyway, y'all, thank y'all so much for watching. Everybody stay blessed and stay safe out there. Lots of things going on in our country right now. So anyway, thank y'all so much for watching, and y'all have a blessed day.